The sounds of spring. Currently at the White Creek Railroad near Hidden Valley Yard. Check out our other videos if you're interested in railroads.